Good day everyone. Today I'll be showing you practically how to fix Tecno t528 screen. How you can change a broken screen and fix a new one in your Tecno t528. You just open the phone after removing all the nuts. You remove the screen gently. Because of the gum, you try to pull it out small. Okay. You need to use your paste, so it can be very easy to remove the screen. When you are trying to remove the screen, don't drag the screen with force. Just be pulling the screen small. Be pulling it slowly. Alright. Then after removing the screen, as the whole screen, you trace the line. Take your time to trace the line very well. You will see line from 1 to 17. You trace all the lines very well. Don't allow any one to touch, any leg to touch the other leg. That's the new screen. Use your paste, put it in the legs. Use your lead to put some few leads there, so it will be easy when you want to solder it. Okay. All right. Okay. Fix the lid. Okay. Slowly you let the screen. Make sure all the legs are separate. Don't allow anyone to touch the other one. You take your time to dress it very well. Dress it properly. And that's all. You see? You now put your battery. You on the phone. You see? It's working perfectly. It's working properly. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. Comment your thoughts. Don't forget to follow this page. Please try and follow this page. Also invite your friends to follow the page for more videos. Turn on your notification, so when next we drop a new video, you will get notified. Thank you so much.